Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we will be preparing Rum Crème Caramel, which is a beautiful custard dessert. The recipe is really simple and easy, so let's get started. The ingredients for the sugar caramel: and the ingredients for the custard. The preparation: preheat the oven to the temperature shown with a large roasting tin or a large tray in it. The method for preparing the sugar caramel: mix the sugar and the water into a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave until it turns golden brown. This will take approximately 6 to 8 minutes. After 6 minutes, continue to check every minute and stop when the caramel has reached the desired color. Pour the sugar caramel into the loaf tin. Lift and swirl to coat the sides, then set aside to cool completely. The method for preparing the custard: add in all the ingredients into a blender. Next, blend to combine. The alternate option is to use an electric hand whisk or a manual whisk instead of the blender. Check that the sugar caramel has set, and when it's been set, strain the custard into the loaf tin. Cover the tin with the foil and place the tin into the tray which is inside the preheated oven. Half fill the roasting tin or the large tray with hot boiling water and bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until the custard has set. Check after 50 minutes. The sides must be set, but the middle should wobble like jelly. Remove from the oven. Once again, check to see if it's done, and then set aside to cool completely. Cover with foil and refrigerate overnight. The next day, remove from the fridge, loosen the sides, and tip it onto a serving dish. Enjoy! If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.